Hello, I'm Jake, and this is Fastlane Classic Cars, and today I have a beautiful 1967 Ford Mustang Fastback RESTO-mod. This particular Mustang Fastback RESTO-mod is the product of a no-expense-spared 7-year-long rotisserie restoration. That's right, 7-year-long rotisserie restoration. This car has been meticulously built for performance, style, and show-stopping presence. Finished in a deep, custom House of Kolor Blu-Bye You, this beautiful Fastback Mustang is sure to turn heads. With its sleek lines, an aggressive stance, and a laser-straight body, every panel reflects the quality of a professionally built, high-end resto mod. Under the hood of this Fastback has also been modernized, with a modern 5-liter 32-valve Coyote delivering contemporary power and reliability wrapped in this classic Mustang body. Paired with a 4R70W performance automatic transmission with overdrive, it offers the perfect blend of highway cruising and street-ready responsiveness. A Moser 9-inch rear end with 355 gears and strange axles ensures the power makes it to the pavement, while a full 3-inch stainless steel exhaust sings the soundtrack of serious performance. Handling has also been modernized, with Height's Super Ride 2 front suspension and Detroit Speed Quadrolink rear suspension, giving this 67 Mustang impressive road manners and cornering capability. Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes provide confident stopping power, and KRC power steering keeps the driver in control without sacrificing road feel. Inside the cabin is also trimmed with custom black leather TMI bucket seats, accented by high-end finishes and upgraded creature comforts. RESTO-mod heat and air conditioning system, JL audio, and hidden professional-grade wiring bring this build to the 21st century without losing the heart of a true Mustang. This RESTO-mod also sits on staggered 18x10 American Racing wheels wrapped in 245/40 front and 295/40 rear performance tires, giving it an aggressive planted look that matches its capability. If you've been searching for a 67 Mustang Fastback that combines classic Fastback style with modern performance and reliability, this is your car. It's a bold statement of American ingenuity, built to be driven, shown, and thoroughly enjoyed. And the only thing left for me to do is to cold start it and let all of you hear it.